Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of portable air compressors, and I've got something special for you. Introducing the Woowind LP1 Bike Pump Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Now, if you need a reliable and versatile portable air compressor, look no further. The Woowind LP1 isn't just any ordinary inflator. It's the best portable air compressor for nail guns available in the market today. And I'm about to tell you why. First off, let's talk power. This little powerhouse operates at a maximum pressure of 150 psi, making it perfect for a wide range of applications, including inflating car tires, bicycle tires, sports balls, and yes, even powering nail guns. But what sets the Woowind LP1 apart from the competition? Well, for starters, it's incredibly compact and portable. Weighing in at just under 500 grams, you can easily take it with you wherever you go, whether it's on a camping trip, a road trip, or simply around the house. Now, let's talk performance. Despite its small size, the Woowind LP1 packs a punch. With its 7.4-volt battery-powered operation, it can quickly and efficiently inflate tires from flat to full in a matter of minutes. Plus, with its auto shut-off feature, you never have to worry about overinflating your tires. And check this out, the Woowind LP1 comes equipped with Presta, Dunlop, and Schrader valve adapters. So you can easily inflate a variety of tires without any hassle. Whether you're pumping up your car tires, your bike tires, or even a sports ball, this inflator has got you covered. And here's a neat feature: built-in LED lights for those late-night emergencies. Whether you're stranded on the side of the road or working in a dimly lit garage, the Woowind LP1 ensures you can always see what you're doing. So there you have it, folks. The Woowind LP1 Bike Pump Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Compact, powerful, and incredibly versatile, it's the best portable air compressor for nail guns and so much more. Don't let its small size fool you. This little device packs a serious punch. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and as always, happy inflating. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.